can we please go? Yes, honey, you're the best grandma in the world. Thank you. Honey, I don't think we're going to be able to get a seat. It looks like there's a lot of people here. You can come sit next to us if you would like. Thank you, Cindy. Say thank you. Thank you. Did you hear there's going to be 3 very special guests coming? Yeah, they're the ones opening this giant vending machine. This is so exciting. I can't wait. It looks like they're arriving now. The plane just showed up. Yay.
Hi, CuppyCake fans. And today we have 2 Littlest Pet Shop packs. They are going to be the special guests for the vending machine. All right, so first let's open
this one.
Here's her little toy that comes with it. A little tiny crystal ball.
These are so cute. Nice one, Kim. Oh. Open. Yeah. And get it up. So my dog, right here. The bow safely tray to get out. Well, the crown just came out. Crown's so cute. Okay, I got the bow actually. The bow, the gold crown right here. It's a deco bit. Here's the pink bow. And the gray crown. And his little assistant.
So we have the cat that sees into the future, which is really good to see if their vending machine will go well. The dog, who is the owner. So her name is Fortuna LaChance. The dog, who is going to be the owner, is Dane McGuire, and the little assistant is Kiki Russo. Let's go get back to the show.
Grandma, look at they're here. That's nice, honey. That's grand. Yay, my son, his first show ever. Yeah. Meow. Yay. Welcome, darlings. Are you all ready to see the giant vending machine? Yeah. And I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. We're not talking to you, we're talking to them. I know. But it's okay, you're excited too. Okay, boys, lower down. Ouch! That made an earthquake. Now I present to you the world's largest vending machine. Who wants to be the first one to try it out? Can I do it, Grandma? Can I do it? Go ahead, honey. Pick me. This little girl right here. Come on. What's your name? Lila. Pick out a food you would like. I think I want to take the chicky cherries. That's 2 hearts. I can't wait to try the cherries. Oh, look, they're there. Chicky cherries. You'll love us for chicky cherries. Okay, come on. Thank you very much. Grandma, look at these cherries. If this giant vending machine works out, we're going to be making a giant restaurant. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and if you want an autograph, come up. And if you want to see a future, come to me in my office. Yay.